Welcome. If you're tired of getting notified for every single message in your Gmail inbox, especially from the All Mail label, this quick guide will show you how to disable those constant notifications while still keeping your emails synced and accessible. First, open your Gmail app on your Android device. Once inside, tap on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings. Next, select the email account for which you want to adjust the notifications. After choosing your account, tap on Manage Labels. This section lets you control how Gmail handles notifications for specific labels. Look for All Mail in the list and tap on it. Here, you will see options related to syncing and notifications for this label. Tap on Sync Messages and choose either Last 30 days or All to make sure your emails stay updated on your device. Now, under the notification settings for All Mail, you'll see a checkbox labeled Label Notifications. Make sure this box is checked so you can customize your alerts. Finally, uncheck the box that says Notify for every message. This step stops Gmail from sending you a notification for every incoming email under the All Mail label, reducing the noise without disabling notifications entirely. By following these steps, you keep your Gmail synced and only get notified when it truly matters, helping you stay focused and less distracted by constant alerts. Give it a try and enjoy a cleaner, more manageable inbox experience.